Hello once again, Chief Whammy here, and welcome to another air conditioning tip video. Right, so you've got your Mitsubishi Electric controller here. We want it in cooling, and you've got a ducted unit way up there, and you don't have any ladders or one of these fancy thermometers. Okay, ignore that. How do you know if you're getting good temperatures? Well, Mitsubishi has a handy little feature that you can access straight from the controller to be able to read the coil temperature to give you an indication of if it's working or not. So all you need to do is press the menu button here. You want to scroll to service, press the tick. Now default, the maintenance password for Mitsubishi Electric, as you will probably know, is quad 9s. So quad 9s, tick, gets you into the service menu. From there you want to select test run, and again test run, and here you go. So you can change the mode as usual, and you can also change the fan speed. And what it does is it shows you the pipe thermistor temperature. So at the moment we're on cooling and it's showing 12 degrees. The set point wasn't too far off, so that's okay. So what test mode actually does is, depending on the mode you have it on, it will just stick it in that mode regardless of set point. So it will bring it down as low as it can go, and if you've got it on heating, it will bring it up as high as it can go. So as you just saw there, the temperature is on its way down now. So I'll check back in a couple of minutes and see how we're getting on. So as you can see, the pipe temperature is showing 6 degrees. So what I'll do is I'll get up there and check the temperature and see how it compares. As you can see, we're getting pretty good temperatures coming out of here. So, like I said, if the temperature on here is reading, I don't know, 20 degrees, then that can indicate a problem with the system that you'll have to investigate further. And as you can see up here as well, if you forget about it, it will run for a default 2 hours before it will turn off. So you don't have to worry, okay? As you can see in heating, we are doing very well on the temperature side. Forgot to mention how to get out of this, because if you do that, it doesn't go anywhere. So what you need to do with test mode on the Mitsis is switch her off. That'll then bring you back out to the menu. Then you can come out of all the menus and switch it back on. Kushti.